What up, tube users? So we're gonna build a box so we have sidewalls on this truck, as this thing right here broke, and this will be better for us. We are gonna keep this part up here and then this down here, but this part and this part on both sides is gonna come off. Right now he's working on the part we're gonna put back here. We already did our measurements. And 28.5 inches across. Yeah. And 65.5. Anyway, we're making use of some of this wood that we got from a job, so this will be a basically free project besides our time, obviously. That's how you do a jigsaw rip. Well, if you haven't watched a lot of our videos, or if you have, you should know by now that we don't have the latest and greatest equipment, and we have to do shit the old-fashioned way, the difficult way. And that's the part he's working on right now. Gonna make the sides a little bit wider. I'm gonna cut a little spot out so you can see out the back window. We started by drilling some holes where he's gonna do it. And that's what the back's gonna look like. It may not look perfect, but it'll serve the purpose. We're using use the Sawzall to remove that. And then we're going to take the other side off too. Well, we got the middle rails off. Truck's already looking different. Guess we're already known for having unique looking trucks, so why not keep the theme going? Give you a little view from the front of the truck. It'll look totally different once the whole box is on there. But we are still in talks of doing a version 2.0 on the RV, getting a better one from the auction again, and doing a better job. And of course, if we do that, then there will be lots of videos of that to come. Well, we're gonna have to finish our project on another day because we got a job, and we'll be back with an empty truck. And plus we gotta do a Home Depot run anyways because we need to get the right nails and screws. But I thought I'd show the beginning progress of what our truck's gonna look like with a box. Until next time, toodles.